Hello, welcome back. We are still here in this beautiful place in Querétaro, Mexico. And well, as you know, right now it's vacation season. And because of this, I made this beautiful set. I already showed you the first part. I made the skirt. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can make the top. Remember that we are going to use the same material list. But well, let's don't lose more time and I will give you the second part. Enjoy. Well, I will show you how you can make the top. The top will have this triangle shape. We will start with the same stitch and instead of 4 we are going to make three corners. But basically we are going to follow the same instructions, the same way we made the grannies. But remember that instead of make the grannies square with 4 corners, we are going to make it with 3, and also we are going to change color. So I'm going to show you how we started. For a 15-year-old, I made 7 rows. Remember, this is a small size. This might be cup A. If you want, at the end you can cover with some fabric behind, or you can buy only the cups, or you can crochet over the bra that your niece or your daughter have. Okay, so well, to start we will make 4 chains with the thread that you choose. We will close in circle, then we will go up with 1 2 3 chains, and inside we are going to make 4 double crochet. So here we have 2, all of them in the same space, okay, all of them inside the ring. After the 4, double crochet 1 chain, and again 4 double crochet. So here we have the second section out of 4 double crochet, and after the 4 double crochet 1 chain, and again 4 double crochet inside. So here we have 1 2 and 3 and 4, and then 1 chain. So here we have the 3 corners. So well, then we are going to slip 1 to close. So this will be the beginning. We are going to slip until the first space where we made the chain, remember? And right here, before we start with the next row, we are going to change color. I will use the blue. I will respect the colors that I use for the skirt, sorry, for the skirt, so we can complete the set. So we are going to make this row, and we are going to make the corners double. So in each corner we are going to make 2 sections of 4 double crochet, and in the next row in the corner double, and then 1 single, then 1 double and 2 singles, and like this we are going to continue until we get the size of the cup that we want. Remember, I'm making this for a 15-year-old, so I made 7 rows in a small size. But well, I'm going to follow the same instructions, the same stitch. I'm going to make the rows that I need and see you there. Well, once that we have the rows that we need, we are going to make a half double crochet row all around. Well, I didn't make the stitch that I made in between each section of 4 double crochet. I just crochet over each stitch over double crochet. So I respect those stitches, and then well, here at the end I will slip 1 like this. I will slip until the corner so we can join the other cup. Well, here in the corner we just slip 1 with the other stitch, and then I will close. If you want this in a bigger size, well, you can make chains here between to open more, and well, it will depends of the person that you are making this top, but this is a small size, and for my niece this distance is perfect. Well, then here in the bottom we are going to make a single crochet row in each stitch. I will make this, and while I make this I will hide this thread that I have here. I will crochet over it. Well, I will make 3 single crochet and I will skip 1. Again 3 single crochet and I will skip 1. okay, like this, the whole row here in the bottom. We are going to make this to reduce a little bit, and we can get the shape of the cups too, you see? So we are going to make the same in the other cup too. And if you want, and if you need to make this part like more round, well, reduce more. But before, please try on in the person and make sure if you need maybe to reduce or not, okay? So like this I'm going to continue until here. So look, I think that we perfectly get the shape of the cups. It's perfect. I remember I made 3 single crochet and I skip one, and like this is how I continue. So at the end we are going to put some fabric behind, or yes, a piece of fabric over a piece of cup from my old bra that she had. I think she's going to lend me that piece. Well, we will go up with 4 chains, and in the same space we are going to make a double crochet to make a V. Then in the next space 1 double crochet, then 2 chains, and in the same space a double crochet. Skip one, then a double crochet, 2 chains, and again a double crochet. Skip one, and like this we are going to make 1 row of bees, and see you here to teach you what's next. Look, I finished the row of bees, and now turn around, slip one, and here we are going to start. We are going to make V over V, okay? And we are going to have a kind of, how can I say? Well, in Spanish is holan, but well, you know, these little pleats in front, and I don't know how to say, but well, it will be an amazing detail, will look different. So like this, we are going to make a 1 row more, you will decide. But well, see you at the end, and you will see how beautiful it looks. Look, I only made 3 rows, so here at the end I'm going to make a last row. First I'm going to make 2 single crochet here in the first space, you see. Then I will go up with 3 chains, and I will come back to the beginning to make a picot. We are going to continue making single crochet until the next space. So here first we are going to make 1 single crochet, 2, sorry, then we will go up with 3 chains, and we will come back to make the picot. And again we are going to make single crochet until the next space. We are going to make 2 single crochet and the picot, and like this the whole row. You see how beautiful? But guess what? I'm realizing that I'm making the stitch in the wrong side. So I'm going to cut my thread, and I will start in this side, because as you see, well, this is the wrong and this is the right side. So this last row will be facing to the wrong side. So here I will start again. I will cut my thread, and I will start in the other side to make this last stitch in the right side. So please be careful also in these small details, because at the end it will make the difference. Well, then, to make the cord that goes behind in the back that we hold the bra, we are going to make chains according to the size of our bag, and remember, you have to make more to make a knot. I measured the chains that I made. I made 1 meter and 20 centimeters. So remember that this will depend according of the size of the girl that you are making this top. And well, once you have the chains that you need, we are going to slip 1 in each chain. Make this step loose, because if not, you will lose the centimeters that you have. Okay, try not to tie too much. And as you could see, we have a round cord. And at the end we are going to pass the cord through this, so we can make a knot in the back, but I will show you. And well, for the straps, we are going to make the same. We are going to start here in the top, in the first corner of our bra, and from here we are going to start making the straps. We are going to make the same in the other uh, side of the cup, right? So we are going to make as many chains as we need, and we are going to come back slipping one in each stitch to have this round cord, the same way that we made the cord for the back. Well, remember that this cord have to go through the your chest and also part of your neck, and also you have to make chains because then in the neck you are going to make a knot, so you will have to make enough chains. So here I'm going to start again so I can have more thread so I can hide it later. That was the mistake that I made at the beginning, you see. And while I make these chains, I'm going to take both threads to hide them, so then later I can cut. It is very important that we don't cut like right away, okay? Remember that you have to hide the thread. So we are going to repeat the same in the other part of the bra, okay? And see you there. Well, you see how easy it was. I hope that you have enjoyed making this top with me, and I hope that you also enjoyed the view. Remember that this is in Mexico, in Querétaro. This is Peña de Bernal, and I hope that if you ever come to Mexico, you visit this place. It's beautiful, and if you come, well, make this set and bring it with you. But well, don't forget to follow me in all my social media, to give me a like, to subscribe, and to leave me a comment. As soon as I can read them, I will answer back. But well, thank you so much and see you in the coming video. Remember that this was the second part. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.